Modern technology makes kidney stone surgery safer and more precise than ever. Kidney stones may be small, but they can cause some of the most intense pain a person can experience. These hard mineral deposits form inside the kidneys and can block the flow of urine, leading to severe pain, nausea, and even infection. When a stone is too large to pass naturally, doctors may recommend laser kidney stone removal surgery. The goal is to break the stone into tiny pieces and remove it without making any large cuts in the body. The procedure begins after the patient receives general anesthesia, so they remain asleep and comfortable throughout the surgery. Unlike many other operations, the surgeon does not make an incision. Instead, a thin, flexible instrument called a ureteroscope is gently inserted through the body's natural urinary pathway. It passes through the urethra into the bladder and then up the ureter, the tube that carries urine from the kidney to the bladder. A tiny camera at the tip of the ureteroscope allows the surgeon to clearly see the stone on a video monitor. Once the stone is located, a very thin laser fiber is passed through the scope. The laser delivers short bursts of energy directly onto the stone, breaking it into tiny fragments without damaging the surrounding tissue. As the stone breaks apart, some of the larger pieces are carefully removed using tiny medical baskets. The remaining fragments are usually small enough to pass naturally in the urine over the next several days. In some cases, the surgeon places a soft plastic tube called a ureteral stent inside the ureter. This temporary tube keeps the urinary passage open, allowing urine to flow freely while the swelling heals. The stent is usually removed a few days or weeks later during a quick outpatient procedure. Before finishing, the surgeon carefully checks that no large stone fragments remain and confirms that urine can flow normally from the kidney to the bladder. The instruments are then gently removed, and because there are no external incisions, there are no stitches to close. Most patients go home the same day or after one night in the hospital. It is common to experience mild burning during urination or notice a small amount of blood in the urine for a short time, but these symptoms usually improve quickly. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out the remaining tiny stone fragments and supports the healing process. Thanks to modern laser technology and miniature surgical instruments, kidney stone removal has become safer, more precise, and less invasive than ever before. For most patients, the procedure provides fast pain relief and allows them to return to normal daily activities within just a few days.